Ever wondered where your crypto hardware wallet is, patiently, or maybe impatiently, making its way to you? You've clicked on the right video because today we're diving deep into the question, how long does ELLIPAL delivery actually take? Let's face it, when you've invested in securing your digital assets, the anticipation of that hardware wallet arriving can be pretty intense. You want to get it in your hands, set it up, and have that peace of mind knowing your crypto is safely offline. So, the waiting game can feel like forever. Now, there isn't a single, magic answer to this question. Just like ordering anything online, the delivery timeframe for your ELLIPAL hardware wallet depends on a few key factors. Think of it like a little journey your package has to take, and the length of that journey can vary. One of the biggest influences is your location. If you're in a major city in North America or Europe, you'll likely experience faster shipping times compared to someone in a more remote area or a country with more complex customs procedures. ELLIPAL ships internationally, which is fantastic, but that also means delivery times can differ significantly from continent to continent, and even from country to country. Another crucial factor is the shipping method you choose at checkout. ELLIPAL typically offers various options, ranging from standard post to express courier services. Opting for a faster, albeit potentially more expensive, shipping method will undoubtedly shorten your waiting time. Think of it as choosing between a leisurely scenic route and a high-speed highway for your package. Processing time at the ELLIPAL warehouse also plays a role. Once you place your order, the team needs time to pick, pack, and prepare your hardware wallet for shipment. While ELLIPAL strives to process orders quickly, factors like order volume or stock availability can sometimes influence this time frame. Keep an eye out for any communication from ELLIPAL regarding potential processing delays, especially during peak seasons or promotional periods. Then there's the wild card, customs and local postal services. Once your package leaves ELLIPAL's hands and enters the postal system of your country, it becomes subject to their processes. Customs clearance can sometimes add unexpected delays, depending on your country's regulations and the volume of international packages they're handling. Similarly, the efficiency of your local postal service will impact the final leg of the journey to your doorstep. So, what can you realistically expect? While it's tough to give an exact number, for many customers in major regions using standard shipping, you might be looking at anywhere from a week to a few weeks. If you opt for express shipping, this could potentially be reduced to a few business days, but again, this is subject to location and customs. The best way to get a more accurate estimate for your specific order is to carefully review the shipping options and estimated delivery times provided during the checkout process on the official ELLIPAL website. Once your order is shipped, you will usually receive a tracking number. This is your best friend during the waiting period. You can use this tracking number to monitor your package's progress and get a better idea of its estimated arrival. Keep in mind that unforeseen circumstances like weather events or global shipping disruptions can occasionally cause delays that are beyond ELLIPAL's control. While these are rare, it's always good to factor in a little bit of buffer time. Ultimately, while the wait for your ELLIPAL hardware wallet might test your patience, remember that it's an investment in the security of your valuable digital assets. That peace of mind is well worth the anticipation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.